There have been so many prop firms popping up lately, and very few of them are actually legitimate and trustworthy. As you guys know, we only recommend the best. In this video, prepare yourself to meet the pioneers of no time limit prop firms, Funded Trader Plus. Here's some few exciting intel we're gonna share with you regarding FTP. So guys, there's 3 different programs. Namely, there's a 2-phase evaluation, first phase evaluation, and instant funding. And also guys, they allow every type of EAs that you know. Basically all types of EAs are allowed, and they also have an achievable scaling plan in the industry. You can double your account size every 10% profit, and then you want to scale up. No delays. They never impose any time restrictions on traders, and they never will. They innovated while the rest imitated. So guys, the benefits are there's no delays on payouts. You get up to 90% profit split. There's a very few rules, 24/7 customer support, real people on the end of every query. They have an active Discord community of over 20,000 active users. So that makes them one of the most highest trustworthy with the highest Trustpilot rating of any firm. One of the most trusted pro firms in the industry. So without any further waste of time, let's get to the video. Yes, so guys, we're finally here, guys. We are looking at Funded Trading Plus.
So this is basically the landing page that you should see when you click Funded Trading Plus. Anything else from this is basically a scam. So make sure, guys, you stick to reputable firms.
Yeah, guys, as you guys know, we only recommend the best. This is one of the most top-rated funded trading firm in the industry, right?
No minimum or maximum time limits. Get funded and receive payouts within 3 days.
So guys, I want you guys to understand, before we promote a prop firm, we always make sure that we go through it and actually see how everything goes. We've basically tested them out, and you're gonna see exactly why we actually like this prop firm specifically.
So in the future, make sure you stay in the lookout for the whole videos whereby we'll be showing you the whole step of us actually buying the challenge and growing the accounts from step 1 up until the point whereby we're making our withdrawals.
Yes, sir. As guys can see, that's why we said it's one of the most trustworthy prop firm in the industry.
Yes, sir.
As guys can see, they have a 4.9 rating. Yo,
that is crazy.
That's a lot.
And they have like 1.5 people to basically rate it that much. That actually proves the legitimacy of this prop firm.
So as you guys can see, they have a 1-phase, 2-phase, and instant, no evaluation, right? Instant trading. Basically, guys, this is a normal standard 2-phase in the industry, whereby, you know, you have a premium and an advanced program account type. So they all have different benefits, but mainly I want to talk about the premium, guys. You can see
this is actually new.
The premium is new, but it's more pricey, right? Because for the premium, you can see there's difference in percentages, because that will allow you to basically pass even quicker, because now it's going to be 8%. For advanced one, you're going to be able to reach 10%. But I'm an advanced trader. I can even pay less to achieve the same results. Okay. So now, guys, one thing I want you guys to realize is that the challenges are actually very affordable. This is very affordable.
One of the most cheapest
I've seen, and they're very good, guys. And they also have a 1-phase. So I also want to go over this together, right? So, but before we do that, we want to actually talk about the evaluation types. They also have a 1-phase. For a 1-phase, guys, basically going only through 1 phase, and then from there, you actually get funded. And they also have very cheap prices, you guys can see. So basically looking at Funded Trader Plus, you can see that they have no minimum trading days. Their profit split is up to 80 to 20% on either the 1-phase or the 2-phase, right? So same thing, guys. Let me just explain with the 2-phase, because we're able to see everything. Currently, the maximum leverage is 1:30. As I believe these guys are based in the UK. As you guys know, in the UK, this is the highest you can offer in terms of leverage. So far, as long as you know how to trade, I don't think you can have any problem with that. They also have a very big 8% maximum loss, which is very reasonable.
More than standard approved, basically. I feel like not a lot of prop firms actually offer a maximum loss this big as well.
And they also have 4% loss. This, for me, it's one of their cons. But looking at everything they have to offer, looking at their price, guys, there's actually nothing to complain about, because usually we have 5%, but 4% is just 1% difference.
Yeah, and there's actually something we're going to explain further in the future, how to make sure that even though they have a 4%, there's actually a way for you to avoid having that in your account.
Yeah, but those who are staying in tune with the goals, you're gonna get all these benefits, and I'll teach you guys how to basically take advantage of that. They also have a scaling plan, which is the best I've seen in the industry, meaning that for every 10% of the profits, guys, it gets to be added to your live account, right? So if you understand the scaling plan, you can go through this and check it out yourself. And another thing, guys, that they have that I like a lot is that they have 7 days waiting period for you to get your
withdrawal.
So basically, guys, after trading your live account, you're gonna only take 7 days. Then from there, you're able to withdraw all your profits weekly, which is very, very dope, guys. Very, very amazing. So far, a minimum fee of withdrawal is $50, which is one of the lowest I've seen, because usually it's above $100 and above.
Yeah.
So I believe that's why they're having a lot of positive reviews, and they also allow EAs, guys, which is one of the best. We are also
in the process of creating an EA for FS Goats. So for those who stay in tune throughout the whole journey, you're gonna see exactly what we have in store for you guys in 2023. For those who want to make money through prop firms, make sure you stick to this channel, because we're going to lead you towards the future.
So yeah, that's the thing, guys. We're gonna be having an EA that's gonna help you pass any prop firm challenge with ease. And you guys, everything we do is just the best. Another strong pro for me, guys, for them is because they allow trading on weekends. Like, you can hold your trades over the weekend. And
not all prop firms actually offer this feature. Some prop firms allow you to trade during the week. However, on weekends, you have to close your trades, because they don't allow that.
Stop loss requirements, you don't have to put a stop loss, which is great. Great adjustment.
The thing, however, it can work against you if you don't know how to use it properly. It's a double-edged sword, guys. You have to know, if you have a stop loss, you have to control your risking, because if you go to losses, there's nothing to negate your losses.
They also have a refund fee. If you purchase the account, you need to make 10% of the profits in a live account, and you're able to get a refund, which is very, very reasonable. So far, guys, this is one of the best I've seen, right? You can become a financial trader today. So, guys, you can also join a Discord over there.
There are more than 20,000 people that are funded traders that can help you. Basically, you guys know, as a trader, you can't be an island. You have to make sure you're with other traders that can help you stick to your rules and basically have the same goals and grow together.
So that's the thing, guys. One of the most biggest pros that I've seen with these guys is that their live accounts are actually on a live server. So they actually help you guys with grow funds. And if there's one thing I can tell you guys about, trading a prop firm over a broker, is that, a prop firm has a lot of advantages, guys, because you also get access to huge capital, because I believe capital is a big issue for a lot of people, especially in South Africa and Africa as a whole, and anywhere where you are coming from a third world country. And I believe, right, being able to have prop firm invest their own capital in you within the market, this allows us as traders to be able to trade large sums of money, be able to make a lot of money, as long as you know how to apply your risk. And remember, guys, risk management stays the same. From a small account to a big account, you must learn how to apply a proper risk management. And I believe prop firms also help you become a better trader.
You can read up everything, guys, all the FAQs. So basically, I want to go back and explain all the evaluation types, basically all the account types, so that you can understand what you have and what you can use to basically maximize your profits as a trader.
I want to show you why you should choose Finance Trader Plus FTP over any other prop firm, is because currently it's the #1 most trusted on Trustpilot. I still haven't seen anyone doing better numbers than these guys. They also have rules which are much more simpler to follow. We have specialist programs designed for professional traders. Like for me, for example, I can go for instant funding, and with that, I'm already funded and I get to make profits without any evaluation. You can scale up to 2.5 million.
I don't want to lie, guys. I only want to trade a million funded accounts. That's our target for this year, guys.
Another thing, guys, they allow you to trade your profits weekly, and they are trusted by real traders. That's the thing, guys. Real traders. That is why we're also recommending this, guys. You can ask anybody who's been in a profit space and ask them about Finance Trading Plus, and they will tell you, guys, we only trade with the best. Going to where we were, guys, we're just gonna touch base a bit on what is happening here.
Yeah. Can we now go back to the one phase account so we can explain basically everything about it? As you guys can see under the one phase, they have no maximum trading days. They have 80 to 20 profit split, and also the profit target. Under the one phase evaluation is 10%, because it's only one phase. Guys, is it really that hard to make only 10%? Because if you have a great strategy, 10% is really not that difficult to achieve.
So, guys, another thing is they also have no minimum trading days, right? So if you really find yourself in a very good week, you can actually pass this in a day and be able to withdraw profits, right, in just the following week. So that's another thing that is a very huge pro for me. Wow. I like these guys for that. And on this one, guys, the sad thing is it's only 3% for phase 1, because you have to really limit your risk, right? Remember, guys, for this one, it's only one phase. So risk management is very, very crucial. And this, guys, is not actually a lot, because it depends on your account size. Like if you have a 12K account, you have to just make sure you don't go less than 370.
And also, guys, the more your account grows, the more that 3% also grows, because if you're going to have a 3% of 15,000, it's actually a bit more than what it was for 12,000 account.
So I also want to show you guys the instant funding.
No evaluation.
Yeah. So, guys, another thing about them, it's a bit pricey to get an instant account, because they carry all the risk. You guys can see the pricing with that. But the great thing is that they're the only ones that I've seen who have a profit share of 70 to 30, because most of the time for instant funding, we only get 50-50. So this is one of the best I've seen so far. And these guys are pretty reasonable.
Wow. And look at this, guys. They have 70 to 30. But if you can make profits up to 20%, you can move up to 80-20. And if you go to 30% profits, you can now move up to 90-10, just like a normal account. Imagine, guys, no evaluation, straight funding, and you can even get to 90-10 profit split.
So guys,
what more can you ask for?
Another thing, guys, on instant funding, there's no profit target. Make as much profit as you can. There's no minimum trading days. You trade immediately. Leverage is still the same, the one for the UK. Maximum loss is even higher, which is 5%. And we have daily loss. There's no daily loss limit whatsoever. You can make whatever you can as long as you don't pass the overall loss, of which if it's a 25K account, you need to make sure that you don't get to 125. So remember, guys, this also increases with your account, because let's say, for example, you push your account to 100K. Now you can make less than 5,000 USD loss. And I believe, you know, this is just proper risk management. Imagine taking a 5K loss, guys. In reality, this is real money. So how would you feel losing 5,000 USD in real life? So really handle this like it's real money, because it is. And you're going to see, guys, passing programs can become a thing of the past. Another thing, guys, they remember draw $50, which is very wonderful. I like that. And they also allow EA no hard limit on the lot sizes. You can check, guys, only limited by available margin. So you can take any lot size you can. No face, right? They don't allow holding on weekends.
Don't allow holding on the weekends, because this is the instant funding and these are raw funds already. So they're teaching you as a trader on how to approach the market properly.
But another thing that I believe it's also a pro on this is because most of the time, many companies that don't allow you to hold on weekends, and mind you, this is only for the no face, right? Even when they don't allow you to hold on weekends, they actually are not enforcing it on you guys. Meaning on Friday, they close your trades automatically, right? Of which other prop firms will allow this to happen. And once you go to the next day, you already violated the account. So you'll not violate, you're just going to close your trades manually. And that is how they're going to come through for you. I believe these guys are very good because they were traders as well. They've been trading since 2008, 2013.
And they also had educating teachers under the Forex space since 2013. So you can trust, guys, these guys are real traders and they are for traders.
And they're partnered with 8cap, right? And I believe one of the good brokers, guys. I've tested them out. And so far, I'm happy. I have no complaints. So that's all we have for you guys today. This is Final Trader Plus.
Any other questions, you can check under the FAQs. Can we simply go there and show them?
Yeah, you can check out the FAQ. Any questions that you have, you can come here, or you can also come here as well to check all the FAQs, guys. Whatever you might need, if they allow hedging, whatever you want to know, they're going to have it here. But one thing I can tell you guys, we had it from the best traders that you have currently in SA. We're saying you can use Final Trader Plus. We're also making withdrawals with them. We're also, in the process of getting payouts. And that is why we came here to you guys and actually recommend one of the best that we've seen, so that you guys know the only programs that we recommend are the best and nothing else.
Yes, sir.
Just like that, guys. If it's got your mentors, signing out.